Hi, I'm John, and this is my Etch-a-CNC CNC machine controller. So this device here generates standard G-code by reading the encoder settings here and sending out appropriate G-code to the CNC controller back here. This is not a hack of the CNC machine. Just by sending the encoder clicks as positions, it is doing that via G-code processing. So let's start a sample here for you. We'll home zero the machine out. It comes to the right position and it lowers the pen. And now whatever I draw on the screen, let me make sure I don't block. Gets drawn on the paper. So I can draw a little So the CNC machine is slower, but you can tell the image on the screen matches what has been drawn on the paper.